Music. Is Bookingkit the right booking platform for you? Let's find out. In this video, we'll dive deep into Bookingkit, a powerful platform perfect for tourism, event, and activity businesses. Want to explore further? Check the description for links to Bookingkit. Designed for businesses offering tours, activities, or bookable services, Bookingkit's all-in-one system simplifies booking management, payments, and customer interaction. Clients can book directly from your website, social media, OTAs, or even your branded mobile app. Its flexible booking system handles single and recurring bookings, tiered pricing, and customizable booking forms. Managing group bookings and complex itineraries is easy with Bookingkit's multi-resource management and automated confirmations and reminders. Seamless payment processing is assured through integration with various payment providers, supporting online payments, deposits, and invoicing. Multilingual and multi-currency options cater to international businesses. Track bookings, revenue, customer trends, and staff performance with comprehensive reporting. Integrate with Google Analytics and other apps for enhanced control. Bookingkit empowers activity and tour businesses with the tools to manage bookings, customers, and payments in one platform. Its customization, flexibility, and integrations make it a powerful solution for tour operators and event businesses. Bookingkit, a robust and versatile platform streamlining tourism and event operations. Seeking a seamless all-in-one booking solution? Check out Bookingkit. Links are in the description below.